Hi viewers, if you are an Apple lover, the iOS 18 release will bring you amazing customization options. You will find the biggest redesign of the Photos app, and new ways for you to manage your inbox and mail and messages over satellite. Craig Federighi, Apple's Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, is so excited to announce that we are thrilled to introduce iOS 18. It is a huge release with incredible features, including new levels of customization and capability, a redesigned Photos app, and powerful ways to stay connected with messages. There are so many benefits for everyone. This release also marks the beginning of a tremendously exciting new era of personal intelligence, with Apple Intelligence delivering intuitive, powerful, and instantly useful experiences that will transform the iPhone experience, all with privacy at the core. We can't wait for users to experience it. Are you excited to experience it? With the new device, you can now arrange apps and widgets on the home screen, customize the buttons at the bottom of the lock screen, and have easy access to better controls in the control center. You can automatically organize photo libraries in a new single view in Photos and easily access your favorite new collections. With on-device intelligence and new text effects introduced to iMessage, Mail simplifies the inbox by sorting emails into different categories. You can communicate over satellite in the Messages app when a Wi-Fi connection isn't available. All this is possible due to the revolutionary technology of iPhone's satellite capabilities. iOS 18 comes with the Apple Intelligence feature, which is the personal intelligence system for iPhone, iPad, and Mac. The feature combines the power of generative models with personal context, delivering incredibly useful and accurate intelligence. Since Apple Intelligence is deeply integrated into iOS 18, macOS Sequoia, and iPadOS, it enables the power of Apple Silicon to understand and create language and images, function across apps, use personal context, and simplify everyday tasks. The new version of the iPhone will enable you to customize the home screen, control center, and lock screen. You can arrange widgets and apps in any open space on the home screen, placing them above the dock for easy access. You will be able to perfectly frame your favorite wallpaper, give app icons a fresh look with tinted or dark effects, and can make them appear larger according to your choice. With the redesigned control center, you can get new levels of customization and flexibility and access to many things you do on a daily basis. The redesigned version grants you quick access to media playback, home controls, and connectivity, enabling you to swipe between each. You can now unlock your car or jump into capturing content for social media by adding controls from supported third-party apps into the control center. You can customize how controls are displayed and adjust them as per your favorite size, and create totally new groups using a new controls gallery that displays the full set of available options. Amazingly, you can now switch the controls at the bottom of the lock screen, choose from available options in the controls gallery, or remove them completely. If you want to relive special moments of your life and browse themes without having to organize content into albums, this new version of the iPhone comes with the biggest ever Photos redesign. With this new feature, you can pin favorite collections and access them easily. You will have a new carousel view available that updates each day and displays your desired people, places, and pets. You can enjoy past moments while browsing as autoplaying content brings libraries to life. You can customize your photo library, organize collections, and include them according to your wish. With iMessage, you have new text effects highlighting letters, words, or emojis with lively animated appearance. You can add tone by adding formatting like underline, bold, and italics. You will be able to include any sticker or emoji anytime and schedule to send the composed message at a later time. With the revolutionary technology of iPhone satellite capabilities, iOS 18 introduces messages via satellite even when Wi-Fi and cellular connections aren't available. The satellite will automatically ask users via Messages to connect to their nearest satellite from the Messages app to receive and send emojis, texts, and tapbacks over SMS and iMessage. Remember, iMessage is built to protect your privacy because privacy is the top priority of the iPhone. That is why you will come to know when connected to a satellite messages sent via satellite are end-to-end encrypted. The new release of iOS 18 Mail will allow you to manage your inbox and stay updated. You will be able to organize and sort incoming emails into primary for personal and time-sensitive emails, updates for news and social notifications, transactions for confirmation and receipts. The new feature in Mail will help user to pull together all the relevant emails and scan for what's important in no time. Big updates to Safari have been made. Safari, as the world's fastest browser, will allow you to access information on the web with a redesigned reader experience. With machine learning, Safari will display key information about a web page. You will be able to read the summary of the article, find the location of your favorite hotel, or listen to a song from an article about an album. Readers will now enjoy new ways to read articles without distraction with the table of contents included. If you forget or struggle to create strong passwords, Passwords Apple is for you. With the help of keychain technology introduced some 25 years ago, the new Passwords app will enable you to access your passkeys, Wi-Fi passwords, and verification codes. The app will send you alerts about weak passwords that can be easily guessed or used multiple times. iOS 18 grants you even more control with tools to manage who can see your apps, how your contacts can be listed, and how your iPhone device connects to accessories. With locked and hidden apps, you will be able to keep information private and have peace of mind. You will be able to lock an app so that others cannot access it. This way, messages or emails inside the app will not surface in the search. The new release of iOS 18 will give you control to choose to share only specific contacts with an app. Developers will be able to effortlessly connect third-party accessories with iPhone without letting an app see all the other devices on your network, which will keep your device private and make pairing seamless. Apple Intelligence is cherry on top of iOS 18. The deeply integrated feature will unlock new ways for you to enhance your writing and communicate more effectively. With advanced system-wide built-in writing tools, you can rewrite, proofread, and summarize text, including notes, mail, pages, and third-party apps. Moreover, newly added image capabilities will enable you to play with images. With Image Playground, you will be able to create playful images in no time, choosing from animation, sketch, or illustration. You can easily use Image Playground, which is available in a specific app, like Messages. Just by giving a prompt to Apple Intelligence, you can pick your favorite photos and videos as you command it. With Photos, you will be able to craft a storyline with chapters based on themes. You can arrange the photos into a movie with its own description. You will also have a new cleanup tool. You will be able to remove distracting objects in the background of a selected photo. Siri has enhanced the power of Apple Intelligence, making it more contextually relevant, natural, and personal. You can give prompt to Siri and switch between text and voice to communicate in whatever way you feel right. Privacy is the cornerstone of iPhones. In iOS 18, Apple raises the bar high by enhancing privacy using AI. For example, if you request cloud computer, the data is not stored or made accessible to Apple, but it only addresses your requests. Moreover, you can directly access to Writing tool, which has image and document understanding capabilities, without jumping from one tool to another. The reason is ChatGPT is integrated into Siri and system-wide writing tools across Apple's platforms. Now I will share some of the additional features in iOS that make the device unique in many ways. With Apple Maps, you can explore thousands of hiking routes across national parks in the United States and easily create your own customized walking routes that you can access offline. As Maps users, you will be able to save your favorite national park tracks and locations and add personal notes about each point. Game mode will improve the gaming experience with more consistent frame rates, especially during long play sessions, and makes wireless accessories like AirPods and game controllers unbelievably responsive. You will get new ways to pay with Apple Pay, including the ability to redeem rewards and access installments from their eligible credit or debit cards. With Tap to Cash, you can send and receive Apple Cash by simply holding two iPhone devices together. Tickets in Apple Wallet will give you an exciting experience, accessing key event information like stadium details, recommended Apple Music playlists, and more at your fingertips. SharePlay with Apple Music allows users to share control of music playing from HomePod, Apple TV, or any Bluetooth-enabled speaker, making listening more fun and engaging. With AirPods, you will feel even more personal, private, and convenient with Siri interactions. As AirPods Pro, second generation, users, you will only be required to simply nod your head yes or gently shake your head no to respond to Siri announcements. For better call quality, voice isolation comes to AirPods Pro, ensuring the caller's voice is heard in loud or windy environments. Updated AirPods provide the best wireless audio latency Apple has ever offered for mobile gaming, and added personalized spatial audio for even more immersive gameplay. In the Notes app, you can enter formulas and equations while typing or solve instantly with Math Notes. New collapsible sections and highlighting make it easier to emphasize what's important. In Journal, an all-new Insights view will help you keep track of your journaling goals, and the ability to search and sort entries makes it easy to enjoy past memories. Time spent journaling can be saved as mindful minutes in the Health app, and users can log their state of mind right in the journal. A journal widget is now available for users to quickly start an entry from the home screen or lock screen. Audio recordings are automatically transcribed, and users can export and print journal entries. Calendar will become even more helpful by showing both events and tasks from reminders. You can create, edit, and complete reminders right from the calendar, and the updated monthly view provides an overview of events and tasks at a glance. If you are health conscious, then this health app is for you. Here, Medical ID has been redesigned to make it even easier for first responders to find the most important information in an emergency. The health app can help you better understand your data during pregnancy by making adjustments and recommendations to reflect changes in your physical and mental health. Emergency SOS Live Video is another amazing feature which allows you to share content through streaming video and recorded media. In the middle of an emergency call, participating emergency dispatchers can send a request for you to share live video or media from the camera roll over a secure connection, making it easier and faster to get help. The Home app can make you an amazing host because this app introduces guest access, providing you with easy ways to grant guests control of select smart home accessories, set schedules for when guests can access the home, and more. For an effortless home entry experience, Hands-Free Unlock with Home Keys leverages ultra-wideband technology to allow users to instantly open supported entry locks as soon as they are 6 feet away from their door. With convenient updates to the energy category, the Home app makes it easier for eligible people to access, understand, and make more informed decisions about their home electricity use. Accessibility updates include eye tracking, a built-in option for navigating the iPhone with just eyes, music haptics, a new way for users who are deaf or hard of hearing to experience music using the Taptic engine in iPhone, and vocal shortcuts that enable users to perform tasks by making a custom sound. So Apple's journey into the realm of artificial intelligence with iOS 18 and its upcoming A18 and M4 chips signify a bold move towards creating a more intelligent and interconnected digital experience. By harnessing the power of advanced AI and machine learning, Apple is not just enhancing the functionality of its devices but is also setting the stage for a future where technology seamlessly integrates into the fabric of everyday life, offering unprecedented levels of personalization, efficiency, and creativity. As we look towards the unveiling of iOS 18 and the debut of the iPhone 16 models, the anticipation for Apple's next leap in AI technology continues to grow, promising to usher in a new era of digital innovation. Here we wrap up our video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing you more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.